Hi guys, today we're playing Tokaboka Time. And today, guys, we need just to help us that. And today, the most smartest sister of this is the story called that the June 8th first day of school time, and her father and mother work in her school time, in her school, guys, in her school. Tagalog na lang tayo, tara. Tara, Tagalog tayo. Tagalog na lang kasi tayo eh. Teka, mag-English tayo at mag-Tagalog. Ito yung pinaka-favorite child nila sa parents. Ito, ang daming gamit, guys. Pwede ba? Ito ay sa billionaire house, guys. And ito po yung the smartest child, and that's the most favorite of her grandma. Oops, on grandfather. And this is the parents' room. It's the most, I like this room so much because this is mom. Hmm, I feel so tired today. I'm gonna be changing today with something. This is for my pregnancy, and need just this one because it looks nice. And next, honey, good morning. I need to change right now. Da and go. Let's wait. No, don't do that. Don't do. You sit there because that's the point of the baby stroller. Let's go. Wake the girls up. Let's go. And now let's take this